Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is the 11th of July, Friday morning. Beautiful morning. Heading out for some walleye. Hopefully we can get them quick to get home. We'll see. But beautiful morning, 1 foot or less, pretty much all day. Thanks for watching as always. So I'm gonna do something different this time, guys. I'm just gonna run the camera the whole time I'm out here. We'll see what happens, and I'll try to explain myself a little bit more, what I'm using, what I'm doing, and where I'm at. Boom, baby. Boom. Boom. Here we go. Okay, currently in 41 foot of water. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Back that ass up. Board. Always keeping tension on that fish and that bait. All right, first one, big old sheepy. Blah, 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 blah. Second fish, fish on. Come on, that was really quick. Both of them really quick. Too small. Bye. Deeper water, baby. Here we go. All right, so I came about 50. So I came out to 59, 60 foot of water, and not a whole lot on the screen. But I'm gonna troll it out for a little while, see what happens. Spoon, worm harness, flipper 7. Yeah, we'll try it. See what happens. See if we continue. There's some stuff on the screen, but not a whole bunch. But we'll see. All right, fish on. That was 50 back. And it came off. Came off. Worm harness 50 back. All right. Okay, I may have a fish on. This would be a flicker shad on a 2 ounce. Flicker 7 on a 2 ounce. I think I got one on here. Yeah, I think I do. 80 back with a 2 ounce. Maybe it might be a keeper. All right, there you go. First keeper walleye in 60 foot of water or 59 foot of water. 20 snap 2 ounce, 80 back. Boom, baby, there we go. All right, fish on, fish on, fish on. I think he's gonna be a keeper. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boom. All right, second one took me about 5 minutes. As soon as I got, that was a worm harness, I'll show you. All right, that one was 50 back on this worm harness, if you can see it here. Custom made by yours truly, 50 back. This was the Flicker 7 I caught him on. I do a custom one hook in the back. I like it that way. Easy for netting as well, and I just think it's better. Fish on, fish on. On the board, check it out. Fight. Alright, nice and easy, buddy, nice and easy. Alright, here we go. Alright, fish on. We got a double, guys. We got a double. Nothing I can do about it right now. Gonna get this guy in. He feels pretty good. Oh, he came off. He came off. We got another one on. Alright, here we go. We got another one. Oh, don't tell me he came off too. Oh no, he came off too. No! All right, fish on, fish on. Flicker shad again. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. 17.5 inches, nice. Number 3. 3. That was this guy, if you can see him right there. I do that hook on the back, and that's what got him. So I like it. It works. Anyways. Fish on, big one. There we go. That was fast. That was really quick. Nice fish here, guys. Flicker 7 again. That was fast. Big fish. Sheephead, not what I wanted, but even at 60 foot of water, you got sheephead, guys. That's too funny. I was trying to troll against the wind. It just wasn't working. So I started to reel things in. I was getting turned all around and crap, and I actually caught one through all that. I can't believe it. On the flicker minnow. I can't believe it. Oh, it's too deep. Fish on, fish on. I know he came off. He came off. Darn it. Alright, I think I got a fish on. One in there too. So this, I got two on. I got a double here, guys. You got a double. Take my time. Don't want to lose them. Oh yeah, I got one on there. Oh yeah. He's a nice one, guys. All right, there you go. Number 5. I got another one on. Right here, I think. Oh, yeah. Still on. Good, good, good. All right, guys. This will be number 6 if I get him in. It'll be a wrap. It's a big one. Here we go. All right, that's a wrap. That's a number 6er there. I'm going to make sure he's fine. Oh yeah, 17 out. There you go. So I'm out of here, but okay, guys, that is a wrap. I'm gonna get out of here. I got my 6. This guy here did most of the work. Flicker shad. I like the flicker shad 7, I believe. Perch color. You can see him. There you go. I put this hook on myself on all my flicker shad 7s and 5s, I think, or whatever. I like it. I'm thinking about doing it on bandits as well. I don't know. I like it. Less work in the net. All right, now there's a boat out by me. I am done. So basically 59 to 62 foot of water I drilled them, but I didn't see a whole lot on the screen either. But I still got them. At first I tried 42, 40 foot of water in their screen, but the screen was loaded with stuff, but it was a sheephead and small ones, and I just came out here and I think I did better. Anyways. Oh, look at this, I got another one. I got another walleye. I got a bonus walleye here. Yeah. Oh, look at that. So, funny. So funny, when I was talking to you, I had my engine off, and I had one of my worm harnesses that I made with a worm on it on a ditchy diver. I turned off the engine, and it must have went down, and this guy hit it on the way down. I gotta throw him back, but that'd be number 7. But nice walleye. All right, thanks, guys. Bye bye. Awesome. Bye bye. He's gone. Good. Maybe he's good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be a wrap for the day. I am done. It is, I mean, I was done a little while ago, but I cleaned up. 8:43, so it didn't take me that long. I'm heading home, and thank you for watching. Boom, baby, boom.